There's another one. There's another one. Run, run, run.
And that seagull is the security.
Yeah.
The security for the pigeons. It does not allow the rest of the seagulls to eat. Oh, it flew away.
No, it came here because there was
Oh,
another.
it's here.
Yeah, it's this one.
This is the bodyguard. It's letting the other guys feed. It's not feeding, it's not eating, but it's kept all the other seagulls away. Bodyguard. Wow. There's the bodyguard. Wow. That's a real security, I think.
Yeah.
There you go. Wow.
It's really fighting.
Oh, it wants the duck to feed too.
Yeah. It was really like it had the head of one of them in the beak.
Yeah, I saw.
It's there now.
That's it there.
Yeah.
Wow. Look. There you go. It's back again. Nobody can come back. Look, it's... Wow. And it's not even eating. It's like break
Very little.
little and then... Wow. Look at this guy. Security.
It's really weird. I've never seen that before.
Yeah. Well, we are not eating. We don't want the food.
It's okay.
We don't want.
We are not eating.
Go fight those guys. There is somebody
one
there.
Yeah, there's one there.
Go fight them. Go.
See,
Go
there.
fight them. Go now.
Go. Go there.
Go.
There.
Okay, they are there. They are
We
on the
should
other
go
side. There.
We should go there.
They are
yeah.
nice. There you go. Oh my God.
Super
Fight all of them.